What is the truth about business ideas? It's not about having a good idea. That's exactly what Mark Randolph, the co-founder of Netflix, emphasizes.
One of the biggest business stories in technology.
An empire that took everyone in Hollywood off guard.
Mark Randolph.
Mark Randolph.
Mark Randolph.
According to him, having ideas is easy. The important thing is how clever can you become to come up with a quick, cheap, and easy way to test it. Quick and cheap. So these are the keywords natin. Kasi most of the time, no, let's be honest, marami sa atin ang nagkakamali dito. We think our idea is the next big thing. It's the next Apple. It's the next Nike. So we spend months or even years or even, perfecting the product in isolation. Why is that a terrible idea? It's a massive waste of time. Two things happen when you do that. First, your idea becomes so large, so perfectionist, and complicated in your head that you suddenly feel you need millions of pesos to just launch it. No? Sometimes you need more equipment, you need the store, you need a lot of things, you need this, you need that before you even start. Second, this is the worst. You are probably building absolutely the wrong thing. Why? Because you cannot launch a business based entirely on what you think is going to happen. You have to start from a position of a real information. We are already in the digital era. This is actually the fastest, most effective way to get real response from our target market. So number 2 is we call it the bedroom trap. Even in paid advertising, a lot of businesses fall into what we call this trap. No? Sila yung mga businesses who spend weeks obsessing the perfect website, perfect visual, perfect font, brand, etc. No? And massive catalog before they even run a single ad. They want everything to be absolutely perfect before launching a Meta ads or Google or even TikTok. But look at what Mark Randolph is saying. If you spend your entire budget, your time, resources, building something that hasn't been tested in the real market, you are taking a massive financial risk. In paid ads, your goal during the initial phase is not just to make immediate millions. It is to buy data. Sabi nga ni Mark Randolph, you need a quick, cheap, and easy way to test your concept. What you need is a validation. Using paid traffic, if people actually care about your offer, you will know right away. So let's go to number 3. Validation over perfection. Right? How do you use paid ads to validate a business idea quickly and cheaply? Right? So instead of manufacturing, ordering in China a lot of products na sa tingin mo, bebenta, you can create a simple, content, landing page, or even lead generation campaigns. That way, you can test agad the market. Just produce a short video or an image together with ad copy showcasing the core benefit of your products or even services, and then spend a minimal budget. Let's just say 200, 300 pesos, or if you have enough space, you can do 1,000 pesos a day just to drive targeted traffic right into your idea and validate it. Okay? If you see that people are clicking to the ad and leaving information, phone numbers, email addresses, and they're showing interest while talking to you, or even clicking pre-order button on your website or landing page, then you have a real information. Now, meron ka ng proof that there's a real market demand dun sa business idea mo. What's the baseline? Meron tayong metrics dyan na ginagamit, no? We can discuss in a different video. But to simplify it, you can check about CTR, click-through rate, yung cost per lead mo, cost per message mo. This data will tell you the brutal truth about your business idea in just less than 72 hours. If your CTR, click-through rate, is low and no one is engaging, it means your angle isn't resonating to them. Or people just don't want our product. We just have to be really grateful for this, no? This is a real response from the market. Because, again, because you found out early without draining your whole funds, whole savings. So testing quickly saves you from building the wrong thing. Number 4, the quick and cheap testing method. When it comes to your campaigns, do not wait for your funnel to become so large, so perfectionist that we lost the direction already. Just try to start very simple. If you have a new service or product, just create 3 different ad creatives. No, meron kang, let's say, UGC, video, and then 1 product shoot. Service mo, lasama mo na rin dyan kung naka-service base ka. And then, 1 text-heavy benefit graphic. Run them to the ads. Run them to a broad audience and let the algorithm find your market. So, you don't need millions of pesos to build a customer base anymore. The advertising platforms we have today give us, no, yung mga small businesses, the leverage to compete with corporate giants. Pero syempre, ibang usapan yun. They have a lot of funds, no, to really cover much larger market share. For the price of a few cups of coffee, no, nakakabili na tayo ng insights for a real consumer's data. That's a big deal for us as businesses. We can now understand if this business idea will work or not at the early stage. If the response is strong, that's when you increase your investment. Scale up slowly, refine your supply chain, and improve your fulfillment system. Optimize happens after validation, never before. Next is number 5, shifting from assumptions to data. The ultimate shift every business owner needs to make is moving away from assumptions and leaning heavily into data. When you just sit at your desk thinking, sigurado ako magugustuhan to ng mga tao kasi paborito ko to, you are just setting yourself up for failure. When you launch paid ads, you are stepping out of your bedroom, the trap, and forcing your idea to face the cold, hard reality of the marketplace. The market does not lie to you. If your CPA, cost per acquisition, is too high and your metrics aren't profitable after enough testing, it's a clear signal from the market na kailangan na nating mag-pivot. It's either you change the offer, tweak the messaging, the funnel, if there's a friction, or change the product entirely. Processing this data objectively is what separates successful business owners from emotional entrepreneurs. Number 6, stop waiting, start testing. Every business owner listening right now, huwag niyong itago yung mga idea natin. Stop trying to raise heavy capital from family or friends and building complicated systems for an unproven concept. We have now all of the capabilities using digital. We have AI now. We have social media platforms. Take that raw idea, turn it into a simple ad campaigns, put a modest budget behind it, just small, it's okay na, and let the data guide you. Business success is not about having a flawless idea from day one. It is about how fast you can launch, test, learn, and adapt. As Mark Randolph reminded us, imagine this is already the co-founder of Netflix. We need to stop guessing. Huwag tayo manghula based on what you think will happen. Start your business from a position of real information. Set up your campaign today, run your ads, and let the market tell you what to do next.